Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Lazy Gozo. I am Surya and in this video we will talk about car music system upgrade from your stock music system. So if you are in Bangalore and looking for car music system update from your stock music system to something premium, then this video is for you. So without wasting much time, let's start. So we are here at Car Tunes. This is situated near KR Puram Circle. I will put the exact location in the description. Car Tunes is offering me much better rates than Top Gear and Evo cars. So yesterday I went Mangala and checked price at Tech Gear. So they quoted me 1.3 lakhs for the audio system, and same setup I am getting here with subwoofer for 80,000, around 80,000. So I am doing full damping, 2-channel speaker update, and then 5-channel amplifier with subwoofer. I will put all the details in the description, you can check it out. So I think it is a reasonable price. The process has been already started, so they are opening the doors to do the damping and put the speakers. This is the stock speaker which you get in Verna, Hyundai Verna SX model. Company name is not mentioned, HMI. I think it is some local company which Hyundai put in all of their cars. So, yeah, nothing special about it. So now I'm getting Alpine 2-channel speaker installed, R series. There are 2 series basically which comes in Alpine. So one is R series and another one is S series. So R series is a bit more premium and same is the case with price. So R series is a bit costlier than S series. So on front I'm installing Alpine R series, and on the back I will be installing Alpine S series. ये भैया है जो हमारे कार में काम कर रहे हैं. नाम क्या भैया आपका? उमेश. नेपाल से हैं ये. तो ये हमारे कार में फिटिंग वगैरह का काम कर रहे हैं, और तो बस दिखाते जाएंगे आपको भी बीच बीच में जैसे जैसे काम होता जाएगा. वारंटी क्या रहता है?
1 ईयर रहता है, मैं एडिशनल 1 ईयर देता हूँ.
I'm not cutting any wires, they are doing plug and play kind of thing, so warranty won't get void. And they don't remove the whole dashboard, they just remove the screen. So this is the amplifier which they have installed. It is a 5-channel amplifier, S series SE55V. So MRP for this is 37,990. And final price of all these components I will share at the end of this video, so stay tuned. These are our speaker. We are installing R series RS65 C2. So 2 sets of that. It comes with 2 speakers and 2 tweeters. So this is for front and this is for rear, same R series. So initially I thought of installing S series in the rear and R series in the front, but price difference is around 10,000 between those two. But I thought it's just 10,000, and in long terms it would be better to have R series. I discussed with Pramod Bhaiya as well, so he told it's better to invest in the sound difference. The sound quality difference would be around 20 to 30% between these two. So I'm going with the R series in the rear as well. So yeah, if you want, you can install R series in the front and S series in the rear. It would save you around 10 to 12,000 rupees. So that's also an option. And I also had an option to go with the DSP, but I think I will get it installed somewhere around next year or so. So first I will check if this setup is all fine. Most probably it should be. It should be around 100 to 150% enhancement in the. It should be around 100 to 150% enhancement in the sound quality as compared to the stock ones. So let's see, if I'm still not satisfied, then I will add one DSP also. So yeah, we'll update you that time. And Bhaiya is doing wiring for subwoofer. So as I already showed you earlier, this is the wire for subwoofer. This is also from Lumex, 100% copper wires. So we will go from dicky to front for the connection. And they have already installed the amplifier in the front. It is here. This is the amplifier. It is still in work in progress. So I will keep you updated. It will still take somewhere around 2 more hours. So there is no compromise in terms of safety also, because they have used pure copper wires from Lumex. They have installed fuse also, and so this is the fuse. And to protect the wire from heat, engine heat, they have installed the heat seals as well on the wire. So yeah, no worries regarding the safety of chances of catching fire and all those things. No need to worry about that. So and yeah, here they have added one racing connector. They will attach it to the battery here once the setup inside is done. So they are still setting up the speaker, amplifier, and connecting those with the car's infotainment system. स्पीकर्स फ्रंट के दोनों डोर्स में लग गए और ये वायरिंग वगैरह भी पीछे से जो सबवूफर की आएगी और वो सब का कनेक्शन अभी चल रहा है। एम्पलीफायर में कनेक्ट करना, पावर वगैरह सब, और प्रॉपर हीट गार्ड वगैरह सब लगा के, और प्लग एंड प्ले पूरा, कोई वायर कटिंग वगैरह नहीं, कोई वारंटी वॉइड होने का भी कोई चांस नहीं है। और भैया इधर ये पीछे के स्पीकर्स लगा रहे हैं। और ये डिक्की में इधर वूफर भी इंस्टॉल हो चुका है। अंधेरे में दिखेगा, डिक्की में लाइट नहीं होती, ब्लैक के ब्लैक। It is also from Alpine. $1500 वॉट पीक का ये सबवूफर है और कॉम्पैक्ट है, ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है, और वरना का बूट स्पेस भी काफ़ी है वैसे तो। Since there was no slot for tweeters on the back side, so we made a hole in the panel. Then we fixed the tweeters here. As OEM. So there are no marks for holes and all. It is like, it seems like it was fitted by the manufacturer itself. So, yeah. So he is applying primer here to clean the number plate area, because otherwise that jaggedy sound will come. So once we install the subwoofer, this number plate might vibrate and create some unnecessary sound. So here it is here double-sided tape. This is 3A primer. So now it won't vibrate now. So now he is damping the boot. On the doors they have used Dr. Arthur's Gold HD 2.6 mm sheet. And here on the dicky they are using 2 mm sheet, because 2.6 mm will become too heavy. When you open the dicky, it might fall back due to the weight. Speaker setup is done. Now they are putting the panel, door panels. और यहाँ तक उन्होंने put control. Let's put this thing back. Speaker, I like it.
This is the factory socket. You have just plugged in. ये कंपनी का हेड यूनिट का चलता है, ये फैक्ट्री हेड यूनिट है ना, उसका हेड यूनिट का अंदर चलता है। सो वी डोंट कट एनी वायर। वो क्या होता है, लाइक इफ यू कट द वायर्स द कंपनी विल अवॉइड द वारंटीज। सो इट्स एन ऑल जस्ट प्लग एंड प्ले वायर which takes one in and one out, and this wiring will be over coming from this side to the amplifier.
All wiring and speaker setups are done, so now they are connecting it to amplifier. Yeah. So now final connection from car infotainment system to amplifier is being done.
Sleep. Eat sleep. If you fix a lead, it won't come out. With what do you call this thing? Soldering gun. Or else 222. Chances to, when you tighten up, chances to come out.
And how you identify plus minus from the wire itself?
You get a black coding.
Okay.
This you get a normal coding,
Yeah, okay.
plain. And here they will mention the plus and minus.
तो सारा काम हो चुका है गाड़ी का, हमने ट्यूनिंग वगैरह सब करवा ली, टेस्टिंग करके भी देख लिए, साउंड सही आ रहा है और बाकी एडजस्ट तो हम अपने कंसोल से एनीवे कर ही सकते हैं। तो या मोर रिव्यूज़ आपको दूंगा मैं ओवर द टाइम कि कैसा क्या रहा। आज तो फर्स्ट है, नए स्पीकर्स को हाई वॉल्यूम पे बजाना है एटलीस्ट 6 to 8 आवर्स सो दैट इट बिकम सॉफ्टनेस कम, थोड़ा बर्न करना पड़ता है नए स्पीकर को। तो वो सब करेंगे और अभी तो मतलब आई वॉज क्वाइट इम्प्रेस विद द साउंड, सो इट वॉज या ऑल गुड। और दीज आर द components which we installed, 2 Alpine R series component set, one for rear, one for front, and this is the amplifier which we installed, SA55B. So yeah, total costing for all these I'll put it in the description or at the end of this video, you can check that. And the shop name also, shop name, location and phone number for Pramod Bhaiya, I will put it in the description. These guys have done a fantastic job. They have taken care of even minute details. So they have, as I already showed you, they have put speakers on the number plate so this doesn't vibrate. They have damped this, they have put a tape here so that this also doesn't make much noise. Anyway, they have put the damping sheets below this, 2 layers of damping. So they have taken care of almost everything. They have installed extra fuse while connecting to the battery, that copper wire to the battery. So all those things are taken care of. So now they are cleaning the mats and all those things. They are doing vacuum cleaner and they will fix. That's pretty much it. So if you need any music system upgrade or any lighting upgrade in your car from your stock, whatever OEM provides, then definitely you can visit Car Tunes for sure. They have all the things in the stocks. Most of the things, these Alpine amplifier and speakers, they were not there in stocks for many other car accessory shops which we visited, but they have all these in this stock. You can see. और ये हमारा बिल बन रहा है, बिलिंग हो रहा है, ये बिल बना रहा है
अभी पैसा कम है।
So we'll put all the details regarding this, what all product we used and contact number of Bhaiya, location, Google Map location, all those things in the description. You can check that out, and you can definitely visit this store for any lighting upgrade or any music system upgrade in your car. The minimum range is for audio system. Bhaiya, कितना range है minimum?
Minimum with the damping. For US subscribers, I'll give it for 2 set of component with 2 layer of damping for 17,000.
For 17,000, and maximum there is no limit. You can
2 layer of damping for 4 doors, 2 components, 2 set of components.
For 17,000 only. So yeah, you can definitely check the description. I'll put the Google Map link, contact number of Pramod Bhaiya, and what else? Yeah, and costing of my setup, how much it costed me. So that yeah, you can check. And this is in the near to KR Puram, and from Whitefield it's the nearest center, nearest car accessories shop. I think remaining all are in Jayanagar and Koramangala, so you don't have to travel that much to just get your car music system upgrade. And work wise, yeah.
And walk around with my stuff. We don't install any Android systems. Please don't come for the Android systems. We don't install any of the Android systems which is made in China. You can go and walk around. We don't deal with any Chinese product.
Yeah.
Chinese product is banned in my country.
Yeah, exactly. So all are high quality product, non-Chinese product only. So I have already showed you सो इनके पास स्टॉक भी पूरा भर भर के रहता है. मीन्स ऑल ऑफ द मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स यू विल गेट हियर ओनली. वेट करने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Lazy Gozo for more such tech, travel and auto videos. See you in the next video. Keep doing what you love doing. Bye bye. Take care.